What's the meaning of applied linguistics? Applied linguistics. Applied linguistics.
Applied linguistics. Applied linguistics. Applied linguistics is the study of how language is used in practical situations, such as language teaching, translation and interpretation, language planning, and language policy. The goal of applied linguistics is to understand the problems and challenges that arise when people use language in real-life situations, and to develop effective strategies for solving these problems. As a result, applied linguistics has a strong focus on practical, real-world applications, and aims to improve the way language is used in a wide range of social, cultural, and professional contexts.